Hello friends, this is Erum Tasneem from Altenew. Today I will be sharing two cards with you. We will focus today on the horizontal card that is on the right. This involves a bit of masking, so I thought I'd cover this one for you guys. I have used the Happy Bloom stem set from our new release. It has a bouquet of flowers and some individual elements as well. I will use both the bouquet and individual elements to make my border. Here you can see that I've already made a mask from an individual flower, and I'm just trying to visualize how much space I need to leave for the bouquet that I am going to stamp on the right. I am placing my mask and now I will stamp the bouquet on the corner. I decided to stamp the single flower after I stamp the bouquet because I usually mess this part up. Now I'll just cover up the bits that I missed or that didn't stamp properly with a black pen. I will be using artist markers to color my stamped image. For the blues, I will use sea gloss, ocean waves, dusk and desert night. For the greens, I will use frayed leaf, forest glades and evergreen. For the pinks, I will use a mix of markers, cotton candy, coral berry and blush. For the yellows, I will use buttercream, warm sunshine and caramel toffee. For the coloring today, I will be starting from dark to light. This will give me more control over the highlights and shadows. I'm going to leave you with a bit of music till I finish my coloring. Be right back. Here I am using evening grey to add a bit of shadow, and then I will use morning frost to blend the harshness of the evening grey out. Okay, so while I was adding morning frost, I really liked the grey against the colorful foliage, so I decided to add more of it and color all the tidbits and little parts with morning frost and add a few dots just to have a smooth transition between the colorful border and the white space. For the sentiments, I have chosen Story of Us stamp set. It has beautifully written sentiment stamps, and they're quite large, which would work perfectly for the open space on my card fronts. With the sentiments now stamped, I just have to place the card fronts on their bases and we will be done. That is all from my side today. I hope you liked the card and enjoyed the coloring process. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye.